So I'm going to make olive oil popcorn. It's a guilty pleasure, but it's not so bad for you. Super simple, but the secret is obviously the olive oil. So you see the saucepan I have. I'm putting in 1/4 inch from the bottom of the saucepan of olive oil. For popcorn, I love Spanish olive oil. Highly recommend it. So I'm going to let the oil heat up. We never want it to smoke because it's definitely not good. The carcinogens in the smoke, you want to keep it hot, but you don't want it to ever smoke. So you have to keep an eye on it. And then I'm going to pour in the popcorn, and there's plenty of organic popcorn out there. You can try different types, but just look for organic. And we make plenty of corn in the USA. So here I've filled the bottom of the pan with the popcorn. And so now I'm going to just let it pop on its own, literally. I'm going to have a big bowl ready for the popcorn. And it's good to have. And I'm preparing to take the pan when it starts popping to put it into the pot. So one of the things I do is I just sort of drizzle olive oil at the bottom of the bowl, and I let it swish around so you get lots of the olive oil taste. I use sea salt and put that in as well. And then what will happen is the popcorn will just start popping, and it happens really fast, so you have to be ready. And if, for instance, you have more popcorn than you have in the bowl, you can have another bowl ready and waiting. But this is how simple it is. So it's starting to really fill up, and there's more in the pot. And by putting a lot of olive oil in the bottom of the pan, you really don't have to use as much olive oil in the making of the popcorn. So here you go. This great smell. And, oh my goodness, you will never have regular popcorn again after this. So add a little bit more and a little bit more of the taste of salt. And you have now treated yourself to best popcorn ever, olive oil popcorn. Enjoy.